everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays. Now that they're over, putting all those decorations away. It's a lot of fun putting them out, but not so much fun putting them away. But we've got most of them away now, and we're settling back to normalcy. And I don't know about any of you, but I know after the new year, a lot of people make New Year's resolutions. I haven't made any this year. Have you made any, cameraman?
I have resolved not to make any resolutions.
Okay, well that's pretty much what I did. I make them over the years and then I don't keep them. So I just figure, what's the point of making them? So I guess I've just set a few goals, I'll say, for myself this year that I'll try to stick with. But I know for all of you that do make New Year's resolutions, I'll bet there's a few of you out there that have made resolutions to lose weight. And some of you may want to go on low carb diets. Some of you might want to try keto. Some of you just might want to do portion control or exercise more. But whatever you want to do, I'm here to help you. How's that sound? So, do you need a little help? I'm going to show you how to make a great snack. Everybody that's on, I don't even like to call it a diet. What do they say? Diet's a four-letter word. But anybody who's on a weight loss program and is on low carb, you always get a craving for snacks. So, on my channel, I try to make a little bit of everything for everybody. So today, I'm going to make this delicious low-carb snack. It's called Low Carb Pepperoni Pizza Cups. That's right. They are keto friendly, they're low carb, and they're gluten-free. What more could you ask for? Well, one more thing, they taste delicious. Now, the cameraman and I have made these before. What do you think, cameraman? Did you like the way they tasted?
Anything with pepperoni tastes marvelous.
So you're a pepperoni lover.
I am a pepperoni lover.
All righty. Well, there you have it. From his mouth to God's ears. So anyway, I am going to show you now how to make these delicious cups. You'll be surprised how easy they are. So, are you ready? Are you ready to get started? All right, here we go. First thing you're going to need is pepperoni. Now, I have this pepperoni here. You're not going to go to the store and buy the package of those pepperonis that are little, small, like, I don't know, silver dollar size pepperonis. You need to go by the deli counter. That's where they sell the larger pepperoni. And they sell them by the pound. And this is the size that you're looking for. I don't know if this is like a 2 by 2 inch. I'm not really sure. But this won't work with little tiny pieces of pepperoni. So you want your larger pieces of pepperoni. You're going to need some pizza sauce. Now, if you don't like pizza sauce, you can use marinara sauce. You're going to need some black olives that are sliced. If you don't like black olives, you don't need to use the olives, but these are pitted, sliced black olives. You're going to need some basil, and you're going to need some fresh mozzarella. Now, I happen to have here, these are called mozzarella pearls. I think next time I would buy the balls that are a little bit larger. Or you can take just a piece of mozzarella cheese and cut little squares out of it. Whatever you want. So, here we go. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And you're going to take one of these little mini cupcake tins. Now, I have a scissor that I use for my baking. Oh, by the way, when I say baking, the cameraman saw me making these and he said, "Why are you making those? Is that considered baking? You know, the Baking Diva?" And I said, yes. Right, cameraman?
You did say yes.
I said, anything that you bake in the oven is baking. It can be sweet or it can be savory, right? So today is a more savory dish. So what you want to do is you want to take your slice of pepperoni. Now, you can just push it into the pan if you want and leave it like that, but it won't make a nice cup. So in order to fit it in there, take your scissor and just cut two tiny slits this way, and two tiny slits the other way. Did this. This just makes it easier to put it press it into the pan. It makes more of a little cup shape, just like this. Can you see that, cameraman?
We surely can.
We're working with a new camera here. We're learning, so be patient with us. All right, so let me do another one for you. So we're gonna fill up this little mini muffin pan with these little pepperoni slices. And I'm going to put them in the 400-degree oven for 5 minutes. You don't want them to burn, but you want them to bake. Now, when I get this all filled up, I'm gonna put it in the oven. After the 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna let them stay in the pan for about another 5 minutes to set. And once I do that, I'll be back to show you how we finish these babies off. Okay, I removed the pepperoni cups from the oven after 5 minutes, and I took them out of the tin and I placed them on a piece of paper towel just so they could drain a little bit. I mean, basically, this is what your little cup is going to look like. And after that, I took a paper towel and I removed all the oil that was in the pan from the pepperoni. So you remove the oil from the pan and you have your little cup sitting on a paper towel drained. It is important though that you leave them sit in the tin for 5 minutes to set before you remove them from the tin. So what are we gonna do next? We're putting them back in the tin. So now I'm putting each one back into the tin, the little cups. See, now they're firm and they hardened slightly, so they made a little cup. The cameraman said to me, well, why do you have to take the oil out of the cup? Why don't you just leave it in there? And I said, because then you're gonna have a big soggy mess. And what did you say, cameraman?
That's the best part!
No, not in this recipe, it's not.
Sorry.
All right, so we have all of the little pepperoni cups back in the pan here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to take a small piece of my fresh basil, just gonna put it in the bottom of each one. Cameraman and I are having these for lunch. I told him he could have 6 and I'll have 6, right, cameraman?
Yeah,
No taking any of mine.
I'm a man. I should get 8 and you should get 4.
Well, I did all the work. Well, you did do the camera work, but no.
That's right.
That's not
you
how
look
it
good.
works. No, it's 50-50 in this marriage. All right, so I put a little piece of basil, fresh basil in each one. Now you can make these any way you want. You know, there's no rule or law here that says, you know, you have to put basil in it. I'm just telling you that's what I do. All right, this one's a little big. Let me make that small. Now on top of the basil, you're gonna put a little bit of either your pizza sauce or your marinara sauce. Not too much, because the cups aren't that big, but a little bit in there. Now, once I get the sauce in these cups, I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese in. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I happen to have this container and they call them pearls. They're very small. I think I would have purchased the bigger bowls they sell next time. But these will work for today. I may decide to put 2 of them in each one. So the sauce is going in. My mouth is watering. And you know what? Let me know in the description box whether you're interested in me making any more of these savory recipes, because I can certainly do both. And I want to, I said I'm not supposed to say right, cameraman?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I want to make you guys happy out there. So I have a lot more recipes coming, whether they're sweet or savory, so subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that red subscribe button till it turns gray, and you'll be a subscriber. If you want to hit that little bell next to it, you'll get a notification every time I put a new video up. I would love it if you help me grow my channel. Now here's the little pearls. They're only tiny. So let me see. I'm going to put 2 of them in each one. If you buy the bigger ones, you probably only need 1. You don't want to buy any balls, just get a piece of fresh mozzarella and cut it, like I said earlier, into little squares. Now once I get all the mozzarella balls in here, I'm going to return these to the oven for approximately, I'm going to say 3 minutes, possibly 4 minutes, until the cheese melts. You want your cheese to melt there. And I'm going to wait to take them out of the oven before I put my little slice of black olive on there. Some people like to put the black olive on there when you put it in the oven, but I prefer to wait until the cheese melts, take it out of the oven, and then you can put the black olive piece on top. So, okay, whoopsie. Wouldn't be me if I didn't say whoopsie in one of my videos. Alrighty. So here's what it looks like. It's going to go back into the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. And I'll see you as soon as I take these babies out of the oven. Alright, I took these out of the oven. The cheese is melted. And I put a little slice of the black olive on them. So now's the fun time. I'm going to take these babies out of the pan and have my taste testing. You know what I forgot to tell you? You can make these little pepperoni cups. You know, let them harden and drain. Don't fill them. And you can keep them in the refrigerator for probably, I think, about a week. So I don't know why you'd want to do that. And these also make a great party snack. So let me take this out. They're still very hot. What did I say, cameraman? 8 for me and 4 for you?
Your math is wrong.
Oh, well, I was never that good in math. No, I was good in math. I just wasn't good in algebra. All right, these are coming out of the pan fine. These little cups, they smell delicious. Probably should let them sit another minute, but I'm too anxious. I'm hungry. Look at these. Yum, yum. Okay. Now, don't you think these would make a great snack? If you're doing low carb, they would certainly satisfy me. And I think if you want to be like really, really strict paleo, there's other kind of cheeses you can put in here besides mozzarella. All right, so here we go. Here's the plate of these little delights. And I am going to taste one now. I hope they're not too hot. Oh, they're hot. I'll put my dish down. Here we go. Cameraman?
That's 1 for you.
You're not getting any. These are so good. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. These are delicious. I could eat the whole plate. Try them. You will love them. Want to taste one, cameraman?
Oh, I guess so.
Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What do you think? They're really good. All right. This one I give a double thumbs up. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great 2018. I gotta run because I gotta eat. So see you soon. Toodles!